Happy holidays from Junk Free Skin. We're wishing you lots of joy, prosperity, and plenty of reasons to smell good in 2026.
And we're so grateful and thank you so much for your kindness in 2025.
That being said, here's how to use the gift that we left you.
Keeping the pouch in a cool, dry area, grab your pod. Tom keeps his pod here. This is where I keep mine until I'm ready to use. Place it on the washcloth, loofah, or the sponge that we provided. Agitate it a bit to release the product. Tom removes the water-soluble film and throws it down the drain, but it is free of microplastics and harsh chemicals and is perfectly fine to rub it in. And now you're ready to lather. Our sponge has two sides, one smooth and one exfoliating. It's truly an experience. Just look at that rich lather.
We hope you have a holiday filled with memorable moments of joy with family.
And we're looking forward to smelling good with you in 2026.
Happy holidays.